Ever since I was a freshman in Parkland, I heard about it coming years and how I would die. But it wasn't all bad, and I'm kinda glad. But the teachers were always getting mad. I got a little story to tell about my years. Class of 06, we shed some tears. Starting off with the type of teacher who we named Jesus. As little devils, that's how he sees us. Always back to God's bike, reacting like we can. But no one spoke out, now nobody did. Then there was Casablanca, now that's a woman. Signification love, that's so true, man. But if you had a cent, good or bad, it was off to the house, cause she couldn't stand that. How could you forget about the freshman males? If you could, he'd put up the sheep up for sale. It is one suicides and 20 laps, so you're lucky you're not the only one on this rap. The year in the good and my grades are high, but sophomore year I had to put up a fight.
In spite of all the trouble, I'm still standing here. The first year's over and I'm shivering with fear. I was frightened already, I didn't know what to do. Summer was over and I was already back at school. I walked into the class with 2 teachers, as if one wasn't bad, now 2 to preach us. Square in a bench and D-O-L. I swear I felt like I was in hell. I have nothing to add, it's kind of sad, but I'm a saint, cause I'm still mad about the D I had. I hope you're glad, but Canada just doesn't sound too bad. Do your homework or your grades go kaput. She was the coach of the whole math team. Even when she thought she had the square root genes. Last but not least, came on as a please. Me is your squared, I thought it was a tease. In spite of all the trouble, I'm still standing here. The second year is over and I'm shivering with fear. 17, still not in a pass. I'm wondering why I'm still in class.
There's a few subs that I'd like to mention. They ain't teachers, but they can put you up for suspension. Some were a joke, and some were cool. What difference did it make? I was still in school. Big brother was always watching you, and Julia was playing Mr. 2. Then we had the daughter of Miss A, sub of Henderson, yellow student's face. Then 7-11 and 76, he had an accent that brought in the chicks. Then the old Kim, how could we forget? With his pink suit, he had all his women set.
That's it. Let's get back on track. Junior year was like my credit stack. Looked at my schedule, period 1 was history. The teacher was a vegan, and that's no mystery. He missed the favorite cow and eat a vegetarian. I wouldn't know, but he said to see humanitarian. Then to talk about the blonde coffee addict. Her lectures and assignments was set in automatic. When she got pissed and gave you the look, it felt like Mike Tyson hit you with the right hook. Then there is the Spanish speaking giraffe. The fact that she's Armenian makes you laugh. Or she's the same color and arms like a stick. She'll still send you to office if I'm true.
In spite of all the trouble, I'm still standing here. It's over and I'm shivering with fear. It's almost over, just 1 more year to go. But see, right, it's just sitting out my fail for sure. I looked at my classes and lost all my breath. But I'm in politics, more words than that. You would talk real slow and then really fast. George Washington, when he cut down a tree, would have lasted fast. He ran for city council, and then came the government. I was so glad I could shake that class again. All the semester ended, I thought that was my fear. Then I met Beyonce, there's no one Bradley Spears. You always like to see even when he talks. There is no one somebody that wasn't mocked. I opened a small business and I think that this rap, I'll take my A's won't last. But at least those each 1 semester. English was up in the year and no one could mess with her. See the projects were good and take over your life. It was like someone said you really want.
Oh, hold up, y'all. I got something to say.